Today in this video we will learn about how can I cancel my service plan in Redserverhost client area. For that, go to Redserverhost client area and then enter login credentials. Once you are logged in, there are two ways to cancel the services. The first way is to go into Services section and then go to My Services. Further, click on green colored Active button. Now click on Request Cancellation. Describe the reason as a formality and then click on Request Cancellation. If you click on Immediate, the services will be cancelled immediately. The second way is to open a ticket and then cancel the services by manually describing the reason or asking manually.